Did you know that your knees absorb 3 times your body weight when you jump?
Is that true?
Now for those who jump rope, knee sleeves are a game changer, and here's why. You can find all the equipment in today's video down below. Now you might be thinking, knee sleeves? That's for lifters and runners, right? But the truth is, whether you're doing high impact sports or something as dynamic as jumping rope, your knees take the brunt of the work.
Nice to have somebody do all the work for me.
It's not just weightlifters and marathon runners who benefit from knee sleeves. Anybody who wants to protect their joints should wear them, especially when jumping rope. Let's break it down. Your knees absorb a large amount of force each time you jump, land, or rebound. It doesn't matter how light or advanced you are, without the proper support, this repeated impact can lead to discomfort and injury over time. That's where knee sleeves come in. The compression provided by knee sleeves helps stabilize your knee joints by creating warmth around the knees. They improve blood flow, aiding not only in performance but also recovery. Your knees stay stronger and healthier thanks to the extra support that knee sleeves provide, which relieves some of the strain on your tendons and ligaments.
So what else do they do?
Knee sleeves aren't just about injury prevention. Wearing them during your workouts can actually help you push yourself further. The extra support helps you feel more confident in your movements, allowing you to try more advanced jump rope techniques without the fear of tweaking your knee or feeling that dreaded soreness after a session. Even after the workout, knee sleeves help with recovery. The warmth and compression promote better blood circulation, reducing muscle stiffness and soreness. Instead of waking up the next day with achy joints, you'll feel fresher and ready for your next session. Truth be told, I've even slept in my knee sleeves if my knees felt like they were really sore.
Are you lying? No.
Now I've been jumping rope for many years, and I wish I started using knee sleeves sooner. When I first started jumping rope, after long sessions, sometimes my knees got sore and painful, and I would have to stop jumping rope for a period of time and then pick it back up. When I started using knee sleeves, I was able to jump rope longer. I was able to not have to take as many breaks. My knees felt more supported while I was jumping, making me be able to go harder and try more things and try new things.
We're going to try something new, number 7.
Without worrying about soreness. It's a small investment and maybe just a little bit uncomfortable when you first get started, but knee sleeves are going to help you out a lot, and they're worth picking up. Now, if you want to make knee sleeves even better, you want to jump rope with them while you're on a jump rope mat, just so you can get another layer of protection. Now, if you want to learn about the jump rope mat that I use all the time, check this video out right here, and I'll give you 4 reasons why you should get one today. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.